Dentitox Pro Review. Those who are in search of more information about the Dentitox Pro supplement could refer to this Dentitox Pro review for all the info they need. Readers like you often come to this review to see if they could use the Dentitox Pro supplement to improve their dental health, oral hygiene, etc. Dental health issues are among the most common reasons for discomfort in the modern world. Today's lifestyle, diet, etc., contribute to tooth decay, sensitivity, and lack of oral hygiene, etc. Some are even ostracized by their peers and colleagues due to the bad odor that such issues entail. This is why the Dentitox Pro supplement offers to help people regain good health and well-being. What exactly is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is a dental support formula perfected from organic and herbal ingredients. This formula was created to help people support dental and oral health. Dentitox Pro ingredients of this formula cater to the nutrient needs of the body. This way people will be able to prevent infections, inflammations, and tooth decay. Created by Mr. Mark Hall, this formula combines 100% natural and organic ingredients to support oral health safely and healthily. You will be able to forget about all your dental health problems and sport a shining and attractive smile well into your old age with the Dentitox Pro supplement. Manufacturer of Dentitox Pro. The creator of Dentitox Pro supplement is an American named Mr. Mark Hall. Mark has been a practitioner of alternative and herbal health remedies for a long time. As such, he has in-depth knowledge of major herbs, remedies, and health problems as well. From his decades of alternative health practices, Mr. Hall has been able to create a formula of herbal ingredients to support dental and oral health. He called it the Dentitox Pro supplement. Today, this formula is available for people at very affordable prices. As before, Mr. Hall continues his alternative health practices and research. He is also a famous speaker on the subject and is invited to speak at many such events. What ingredients are inside Dentitox Pro? The benefits of Dentitox Pro supplement are due to the organic and natural ingredients of this formula. These are herbs and compounds that are known for their health benefits and are used in many traditional remedies. The manufacturer has ensured the highest quality and potency of their ingredients, sourcing only from certified suppliers and growers. The major Dentitox Pro ingredients are vitamins A, C, D3 and K2. Dentitox Pro supplement presents an array of vitamins necessary for great dental health. These will help strengthen the teeth, protect the enamel, etc. Also, these will help recover from gum injuries, bleeding, etc., and give great oral health. Calcium, potassium, zinc. These minerals are known for their contribution to dental health. Calcium, zinc, and potassium are the building blocks of teeth and bone strength. These improve the internal structure and density of the teeth. This way, they prevent dental fractures and decay. Spearmint peppermint. Spearmint or peppermint is known as a great solution for dental health, bad breath, etc. It also supports digestive functions, nutrient absorption, etc. This herb is rich in many nutrients that are necessary for great oral hygiene. So, spearmint helps get rid of bad breath, gum problems, etc. Phosphorus. It is an essential mineral that helps the body to absorb and use calcium for facilitating healthy teeth and gums. Phosphorus protects and rebuilds the tooth enamel to increase the strength of teeth from within. Indian licorice root extract. Studies show that licorice root extract helps to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. It is also proven to maintain the health of teeth and gums. Xylitol. It is a naturally occurring alcohol and helps to prevent the growth of harmful oral bacteria. Xylitol helps to reduce plaque buildup and treat cavities. It also inhibits inflammatory gum diseases. Collagen. Known to be one of the most abundant proteins in the body, collagen helps to bind the teeth together and keeps them firmly in the gums. It also boosts the health of gum tissues as well as the rest of the body, etc. MSM, methylsulfonylmethane. This natural chemical is found to provide faster recovery from sensitivity, toothaches, and even gum diseases like gingivitis. It treats sore gums and promotes teeth whitening. Actually, how does Dentitox Pro really work? Dentitox Pro supplement presents a combination of potent ingredients. These are necessary for many bodily functions and overall well-being. The proportion of these ingredients in Dentitox Pro formula will support greater dental and oral health. Dentitox Pro ingredients will help strengthen and protect the teeth. These will prevent damage and fractures to the teeth by helping improve their internal structure. Also, the vitamins, minerals, etc., will prevent damage to the enamel, protecting it from decay. These will strengthen this protective layer of the teeth to prevent the entry of contaminants, pathogens, etc., into the teeth. As said in Dentitox Pro review, the ingredients of the Dentitox Pro formula will help people heal gum wounds, bleeding, etc. This combined with the ability to prevent decay helps it get rid of bad breath and odor. The spearmint will keep the mouth fresh and odorless. This way, Dentitox Pro supplement offers overall dental health to anyone. Scientific evidence for Dentitox Pro drops. The official website of Dentitox Pro provides links to scientific evidence on most of its ingredients. One of these is an article that was published in Z News which states how the ingredient licorice extract was popularly used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat tooth loss and gum disease. A study shows that 2 compounds of licorice, 𝗪𝗁 and 𝗪𝗁 were effective in killing oral bacteria. The creator also provides the link to a study conducted in 2011 which connects saliva with oral health issues. Dentitox Pro involves all the vital nutrients that can potentially increase the antibacterial properties of saliva. Another study regarding the impact of the Dentitox Pro ingredient xylitol is also given which shows how this natural substance can fight against tooth plaque and cavities. The component collagen has also been proven by research to tackle periodontal inflammation. Several other research confirms that collagen supplements help improve gum health and overall wellness. Other ingredients used in Dentitox Pro are also stated to have the ability to increase oral health and inhibit gum diseases. Dentitox Pro main benefits. There are many benefits to using the organic Dentitox Pro formula. Besides improving dental health, it supports the body in many other ways. It helps improve digestive functions, nutrient absorption, immunity, etc. The main benefits of the Dentitox Pro supplement are listed below. Strengthen the teeth. The formula helps strengthen and protect the teeth from damage. It will repair the internal structure of the teeth and strengthen them. Also, the ingredients will go on to solidify and protect the outermost layer of the teeth, the enamel. This way, the Dentitox Pro supplement helps prevent damage, fracture, and decay that leads to more problems. Greater oral hygiene. The ingredients of the Dentitox Pro supplement will promote superior oral hygiene. It will help get rid of harmful and destructive pathogens that lead to dental decay. These are also rich in antioxidants, etc., that prevent oxidative stress and damage. They help treat infections, inflammations, etc., guaranteeing great oral hygiene. Forget decay, odor, etc. You will no longer be bothered by oral problems such as tooth decay, bad breath, etc. The overall functions and health of your mouth will improve with the use of the Dentitox Pro supplement. This way, you can forget about major dental health problems, chronic toothache, and bad breath. Reduced oral diseases and inflammations. The supplement formula has a rich composition of several anti-inflammatory ingredients such as xylitol, cinnamon, etc. Thereby, you attain faster relief from toothaches as your oral health improves. Shinier, whiter teeth. Dentitox Pro acts as a natural teeth whitener as well due to the presence of neem, sage, and cinnamon. These are not only helpful in reducing tooth sensitivity but cleanse the mouth from bacteria and facilitates cleaner white teeth. Maintains oral health. The formula comprises all the essential nutrients for dental health in top quality and purity. As such, the disease-causing bacteria is immediately killed upon entering your mouth, helping you to enjoy your favorite foods. Pros and cons of Dentitox Pro. Before purchasing any product, it is crucial to know about its disadvantages along with benefits so that you can make a clear choice on purchase. Thereby, here are some of the key pros and cons of Dentitox Pro. Pros: repairs the root cause of weak teeth and gums, quality natural ingredients that are safe for the body, research-based and manufactured in top facilities, ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee, discounts and free shipping. Cons: available only on the official website, individual results may vary. Dentitox Pro side effects. The manufacturing of Dentitox Pro takes place in FDA-approved GMP-certified facilities using quality standards and sterile conditions. They are non-GMO and do not comprise any toxins or harmful substances. The manufacturer assures that Dentitox Pro is non-habit-forming as well. Thereby, there are not many severe reactions to using this supplement. But for individuals who have pre-existing health problems or are using medications, discuss with your doctor before using Dentitox Pro. Go through the ingredients section of the product thoroughly if you have allergy problems. Dentitox Pro is meant for those above the age of 18 and therefore the supplement must be kept away from children. Pregnant and nursing women should not use Dentitox Pro. Dentitox Pro dosage and how to use Dentitox Pro. Dentitox Pro supplement comes in the form of a liquid that contains all the ingredients of this formula. You can take 6 drops of it using the given filler, as and when needed. Try not to exceed this dosage as it suffices for people of all ages, body types, etc. How long does Dentitox Pro drops take to get results? Although Dentitox Pro is said to start working immediately, most users achieve the best results of the supplement upon consistent use for 2 to 3 months. But a few have reported that the product did not work as needed simply by using it for a month. For any natural dietary supplement to work as required, regular usage is necessary. Thereby, Ensure that you give enough time for your body to fully absorb the nutrients of Dentitox Pro. Is Dentitox Pro a magic formula? Though Dentitox Pro is found to work effectively in improving oral health, it is not a magic supplement. Health supplements work only if you use them consistently. The ingredients used in Dentitox Pro are proven by science to get rid of oral bacteria and facilitate healthy and clean teeth. Therefore, you need to give enough time to your body to absorb the nutrients and facilitate changes instead of expecting overnight results. Dentitox Pro has been found to work for the majority of its users, and thereby, one can achieve the same upon using the formula correctly. Dentitox Pro customer reviews and complaints. Dentitox Pro has successfully worked for many customers so far. Users report that the product facilitated drastic improvements in teeth and gum health. Based on Dentitox Pro reviews, no complaints have been received against this product. How much does Dentitox Pro cost? Dentitox Pro supplement can only be purchased from the official website. This is to ensure the authenticity and quality of the supplement being sold. Basic, 1 bottle $69. Most popular, 3 bottles $59. Best value, 6 bottles $49. Regarding refund policy of Dentitox Pro, the manufacturer is also offering a foolproof money-back guarantee with each purchase. This means that you can reclaim your money if you are not satisfied with the results, no questions asked. This guarantee is valid for up to 60 days from purchase. Dentitox Pro reviews. Final verdict: Dentitox Pro is an easy-to-use supplement formula created to support dental health and oral hygiene. This formula combines several natural and organic ingredients that are known for their dental health benefits. These will help prevent damage and decay to the teeth, gum problems and bleeding, etc. As already mentioned in this Dentitox Pro review, the ingredients will guarantee superior dental and oral hygiene, getting rid of bad breath, pathogenic growth, etc. Dentitox Pro supplement offers anyone the ability to support dental health and sport an attractive smile well into their elder years. So, Dentitox Pro formula is recommended to anyone who wants to support dental and oral health. This formula can be tried risk-free due to the money-back guarantee they are offering. Frequently asked questions: are there any side effects? The ingredients of Dentitox Pro formula are sourced from certified suppliers and further tested for quality and safety. The manufacturing follows stringent GMP measures in an FDA-certified facility. So, there are no Dentitox Pro side effects. How best to use Dentitox Pro? The best way to use Dentitox Pro supplement is to take 2 drops as and when needed. Continue the usage as long as possible to see long-lasting results. How long does Dentitox Pro take for shipping? On average, domestic US shipping takes up to 7 working days. And about 15 days for international orders. There might be slight delays due to the ongoing pandemic. Am I too old to use Dentitox Pro? No. Dentitox Pro formula has been designed to suit people of all ages, body types, and problems. This formula is safe and easy to use. And people as old as 70 and 80 years have gained from its use. What if Dentitox Pro does not work for me? You can always refer to the money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the results. Remember, this offers you 100% money back for up to 60 days from the date of purchase. Order Dentitox Pro from the official website. 60 days money-back guarantee. Click link description.